Nasa green man yung natakas. Dito ng papapayo.
Initiative is ensuring the quality of teaching practice in our schools, and that is by the PPST. By establishing professional standards, teacher quality, and using these quality standards in the selection, hiring, and promotion of teachers, in assessing their performance, in planning and providing professional development intervention. And then for order number 19, amended the qualification standard for school principal 1 and 4. Kung baga may nag-iimbag ko talaga ng mga guidelines na wherein ang una, ang pwede ka mga principal, nag-iimbag ka master of graduate.
Dapat good. Outstanding ka good. 4.8, 4.7, 4.6. Ayaw ko nga 4.3. Kaya baga delikado kabutangan nito.
Sir Bon, lahat ba tayo? So that's it. So this is comparative assessment. And by this time, we move on to the next component, which is the performance. Or other means of verification. So, how do you measure performance? Performance, commitment, and review form, or your IPCRF shall be used, which is immediate.
Sad to say, limang set lamang po ang aking na-photocopy para sa PPST na gagamitin natin mamaya sa activity. So we will share na lang, picture na lang. Next, paano ma-rate ang ating mga teachers in every career stage? Titignan natin dito sa taas, although malabo siya.
Sure. Sige. Wow.
Teachers are well versed with the concepts for maps, proficiently executed. You have research based. Siguro it refers to this personal activity inside the classroom where teachers are observed. Then we have COIs or classroom observable indicators. Teaching and learning process. It includes KSA or knowledge, skills, and attitude. It involves learners' participation. It has assessment. Okay, it includes planning,
CLT, learning diversity, elevated socialization, teacher and learning separation.
So Kalipayan is quite leading. Let us have the next group.
Okay, assessment, cross out. Also, we missed that one. So we have feedback, rubrics, creativity. We have the indicators, student participation. We have the instructional materials. Instructional materials is already done for the other group. Also feedback. Sige po. Learning, we have the approach. Learning competency or competencies. Learning competency was already mentioned. Nagigiri kami ng mamati, ma'am. Excited kami ng mga words. We have a SMART objective. We have AI integration, which is very timely and relevant today. Lesson plan, that's done. The teacher, the main IM for the demonstration. Students, application, realia. We have 21st century skills and the worksheets or learning materials. Learning materials was also mentioned by the other groups. Can we count how many?
Romantic idol. Okay, let's try to know more. Let's try to know more.
She never wanted to reject the Marshall, but she just really
Yes. Why did you do it like Laura is burning the poems written by the cry?
In the
reclassification process. So we are now
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answers. Dito, ang dito nakasulat. Okay. What happened? So you're going to answer the question. What happened? Lesson. Or from that trip. Our obligations have expanded. Our obligations.
Before we dive into the content of my session, let's go over first with the session objectives. At the end of the session, participants shall have. We will have to discuss this one so that we are all clear on what we aim to achieve today.